Aasalamualaikum, guys. In this video, I will be demonstrating the tuple concept, which I already learned you. So, tuple is nothing but creating an element within parentheses and also square brackets, and the values cannot be changed until the program ends. It cannot be changed once it is declared. So let's see the demonstration of tuple. I want to create a tuple. For to that, I already uploaded a video. On that video, I already said how to create a tuple using syntax. I had already given the syntax. You may prefer and watch that video. I will giving the video in the description and check out that video. We don't be forgotten for to that. So I want to create a tuple which I name that tuple as TPL equals to opening parenthesis, and first of all we need to include the keyword as tuple opening parenthesis, also at the same time square bracket. I want to assign the elements in the tuple. That is, I want to assign 23, 14, and also 100 and 35. As much as I possible, I will do that on this tuple, and it will not change until the end of the program. The tuple is successfully created. This is how you can be able to create a tuple in just few minutes. So to print that tuple, I want to print that tuple. Print TPO. Let's say what it's printed exactly what I gave there. And if I want to check what is the type of this function we are using, for to that I want to type type. I want to type, and for to check what is the type of the given function, let's say TPO, and it is a tuple. It is also been said by the compiler itself, the compiler, also the interpreter. So this is how this easiest way to create a tuple using the keyword tuple. So I want to demonstrate another thing, that is the assignment tuple, tuple assignment. For to that I need a open parenthesis with the variable contain x at the same time y and at the same time z. These three variable I am creating using tuple and assigning the variable values in on the right side of the program, that is 39. For example, for my convenience, I am giving here 39, 7, 13 and 17. These three most value should be will be assigned to the three most variable which I given here. So it will be assigned. It will not throw error because it is the simplest concept of the Python programming. Let me print what is this x, y, and at the same time z. It will print it successfully. So here's how you print out in the assignment operator. That is also the component of tuples. Last but not the least, we have nested tuples, and that is I want to create as a tuple, that is assigning the values of that tuple would be starting with two parentheses, and I'm going to give here the values for that 1, 2, 3, or it can be done also with nothing quotation using here 1, 2, 3. Look at this, it is a single tuple, and also I want to create another tuple by way of using opening parenthesis. That is 12, 13, 14, and I want to use another tuple that is also at the same way by way of opening a parenthesis, that is 21, 22, 23. I can also make until the n number of tuples. It can be done the n number of tuples. So to close this by closing the two parentheses at the last and at the beginning, it will accept. And for to print that completely, I want for loop here. For I would be is the variable which goes out through 3 and check it out what it have or not. In is the keyword, and 3 is the variable which I already taken there, and I want to print I here, then it will be printed completely the program. Here's how it completed the program. So thank you for watching this simple demonstration of tuple. For to understand the data science and artificial intelligence course, you must subscribe this channel. If you don't do that, then it will be your loss. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much. Abyanto. See you soon.